I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rock candy. First, gather your essential supplies: sugar, water, a saucepan, and a heat-safe container. You'll also need wooden skewers or string with clothespins for the crystals to grow on. Make sure all your equipment is sparkling clean. Any impurities can hinder the crystallization process. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfect rock candy. Next, let's create our supersaturated sugar solution. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial that no undissolved sugar remains, as this forms the foundation for your rock candy. Once clear, remove it from the heat. Now for the exciting part: setting up for crystal growth. Carefully pour the hot sugar solution into your clean, heat-safe container. Before suspending, dip your skewer or string into the solution and let it dry for a few hours. This creates seed crystals. Then, gently suspend the prepared skewer or string into the solution, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the container. Finally, patience is key as your rock candy grows. Place the container in a cool, undisturbed spot, away from direct sunlight or vibrations. Over the next few days, you'll observe beautiful sugar crystals forming and growing on your suspended skewer or string. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove them, let any excess solution drain, and allow them to dry completely before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.